Thanks, Sam. Oh boy, 15 minutes in. Let's see if we can breeze through. All right. Sure, why not? Rev it up. S60R. I was joking with these guys when we were trying to get into the parking lot. And it's like, yeah, follow the car in front of you, but then make a really wide turn. Oh, that's so nice inside. Plush! Gorgeous cars, gorgeous cars. All right. I miss them, and I miss them. That's the way to go.
Sacramento.
I saw a cool presentation on this last night. Bertonis.
There is literally nothing but a sales brochure that remains on this vehicle. There had to be more to this. And so my persistence paid off, and I finally got in touch with a guy named Sven Gunnar Johannesson. He was the program director and now...
Nothing says Volvo like famous potatoes, huh? Mm-hmm. This guy loves his cars. And this is such a beautiful design. He was talking about how the wood has a layer of metal inside so that when you crash the car, it still doesn't splinter into you. And Volvo had some drama with design and language barriers with the Italians. And something like 93 square feet of stitched leather in the whole car. It's really cool. Don't quote me on the numbers, but it's just really cool. Nice to see another one here. I'm sad that I only see these at junkyards. Because they were really something, you know? Okay, let's keep moving down the aisle here. Oh, some more 122s. That's, that one's for sale. I'd like to learn the history of this motorsport girl with the flags. Oh, the poor speedometer is at 45. It's called B20 with the matching radiator, alternator conversion. Love that original paint on here. I roll 2. A C30R design. Yum. Yum. Is that a cane? Yum. Not the cane yum, but the car yum. Boost gauge yum. Is that the key in the ignition? What, are you gonna run after me? I would run after me if I stole my own C30. Freya. Subwoofers? Okay, hold on. Cane. Banana to keep you regular. Subwoofers? 2011. 007.
All my cars, I put the R on because I'm always fiddling around, so I just figured, and people...
Howdy. No. Love that floating dash in the front. That's just, it's my favorite feature.
I drove it up here. It's not my car.
Yeah.
I drove it.
Fast and comfortable, I imagine.
It is a scary thing.
And I like not having a pillar here. It reminds me of those early BMW 8 Series.
Yep.
Very cool.
Timeless box.
Yes, I love it. Very clean. 2011.
Pretty smart.
He's the owner.
I love this car. I'm going to vote for this very car.
Yeah, I don't blame you. That reminds me to vote too. I have not done that yet. California or bust, and now back to Illinois. Oh, see, this one's die cut. Just pushing to 1960 levels. Oh, so nice.
That's funny.
Mm-hmm.
There's a little camera.
Early SUs, still running the 6-volt, baby. Yum.
Okay, let's walk back to the car.
Grasshoppers collected on front in Oklahoma, removed by blackbirds in Walmart lot in New Mexico. Clever. Oh, I wonder if it's the Walmart I go to. Okay. Well. Well. Mr. Ted. Oh. Well, I would love to try this. Spins prohibited. Oh boy, the echo of my voice just tells you it's gonna be lopey and loud. The work is never over, my friend.
Oh no, I had this down at the beach for a little bit and it just got all salt water.
Oh, does it put a little layer of grime on?
Yep,
Just from being around, huh?
just from sitting out there overnight.
It's beautiful, beautiful. Wonderful example. Thanks for coming out.
How you doing? Yeah, it's fun, man. This is great.
Did you convert to 12 volt or was this early?
It was stock.
Okay. What year was the change? 62? Okay.
Yep.
62 was the first year of the B18. Is this the B18?
Yep.
All right. That's right. Early B18s have the cap in the center as well. I learned that recently. Very cool.
I just kept this thing totally stock. I haven't done
Yeah. It's gorgeous. Thank you.
Yeah, you bet.
All right. Is this Mike from iRoll? Maybe not. Yeah, it's cool to see a duet. Is there room to sleep? Is there room to ambulance in here? Hello. Thank you, Volvo. Can I ambulance in here? All right. Oh, let's go to the 240s. You guys want to see some 240s? Oh, look at all these Volvo parts. Hold on a second. Hey, guys.
I've been watching your story.
Oh,
Drowsy sleeping here and everything.
dude, I barely made it.
What time you get here?
2 a.m. 14,
Same here.
14 hours from LA to here.
10 hours from Benicia.
I don't even know where that is.
It's up north near San Francisco.
Oh, it's about the same distance.
Actually, way
Takes
less.
a long. Oh,
Let's
less
pick up my big friend here.
200 miles or so.
This guy right here.
Yeah. How you doing?
He's tired like me. I left at 4 p.m., got here at 2 in the morning.
Yeah, I did. Oof. I left at 10 a.m. I was like, I can make it by noon, lunch, whatever. No dice. Oh boy, this is a really cool thing to dig through.
How late were you crunching time to get your 120 done?
I would like start work at sunset and then go to bed for 2 hours when the sun came up,
Okay.
which is the busy time in the house, so that I would have a little distraction. Then I'd wake up and go back to work, and then just I don't know. It all blended together. It was like a month and a half of long days.
That paint
Yeah.
came out really good.
Thank you. I hope to keep it that way, but
Yeah?
it's tough, man. Every little scratch, you kick yourself over it. I think I want to add this. I want to add this to my pile.
I'll let you get back to the floor.
All right, thank you.
Yep.
This coil looks good. Looks healthy. So strong, lad. I have to drill you out, though. I gotta be very careful. Okay, all right. Just to add one more. I'm gonna continue doing this throughout the day.
Good.
Mr. Joe, what are you trying to sell with this? What is this thing?
That is a microfiche reader. So that's for reading all the microfiche, all the fishes.
Okay.
You know, that's all in color, by the way.
And I hope to never need to use one.
Yeah.
And these are your nice clusters. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
A special club, and I'm going, there's not one here.
Let me stop by and say hi to Dana. Dana, hi. You've been working so hard today. I didn't bring my bag. May I have a yellow paper to vote?
Yes.
I'm being honest. It's not just double.
Do you need a pen as well?
Yeah, sure.
We discovered pens. They were in Kendall's car.
Who brought pens? Bob Smith? Did Bob Smith give us those rentals 2 years? Not rentals, but the loaners 2 years ago, and they were parked like...
Yes.
Yeah, that was cool.
Judging is from 10 to 2 p.m.
Okay, so by
I'm
2.
assuming like
Quarter till.
yeah.
And how are we doing on time? I've got a watch right here. It's in the right time zone.
We got plenty of time. It's not even noon yet.
My
I think.
goodness.
I don't know.
How long have we been up? Almost 12 hours?
11:22.
Thank you. Wow, what a long day. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, here's our trophies. Now, I knew Steven was a photographer, but my goodness, look at what a charming, handsome fella he was. All right. Yeah, cool trophies. Really creative stuff. I'm going to tell you right now, my favorite one, generally anything with the piston or the BMW E30 timing gear. I do love a good Volvo hubcap clock. All right, poor Dana deserves an award on her own for being such a hard worker and such a good sport. All right, AccuWear.com. It's Dustin's wagon. How are you? I'm David.
Ronnie.
So Ronnie, you're his boss, I take it?
I'm not his boss. I do sales. And
It was a good opportunity to say yes, though.
No.
Well, this is a cool setup, and man, we went to tow it last night, and I'm addicted to the sound it makes when it goes up and it comes down.
Yeah, he's running on the E-Level on the VU4, so it has a pretty good sound on it. He's still gonna get it upgraded to the CVT, so it's not necessarily like our top of the line stuff, but it's still a really good running product.
Yeah.
And it's really good about it.
Seems to fit nicely. Does that hatch close down flat?
It does.
Perfect.
It does.
That's a good fit for us wagon
There's a bunch
guys.
of stuff around there, but yeah, he's able to get it to tuck in there, and you don't even know. It looks so in.
Yeah.
The core model is actually a PTC fitting model. We usually do the NPTs now, but if you could find them out there and get a good hardline setup, the PTC is a really good fit.
Is that also a more budget option versus the NPT?
It's just the NPTs just gives you a little bit more options with the install and stuff like that. PTC, we get them in 3/8, so you can only run a really run a 3/8 line on it.
Oh, I understand.
Unless you get like a reducer or something.
Yeah. So this is you'll never believe what's under the hood. It's got a laptop to tune it. So here we go. Here we go. And whoa. What? 16 valve Z-Tech. You'll see this a little bit more in another video. All right, 240 land. Here we are. That's also the sound the engine makes. Gosh, I hope this video is not terribly windy, and if it is, forgive me. Really cute, 245.0. I think for that badge, I would almost vote for this. And the color, love it, love it. Looks like it's got a third row seat. You can tell with the hooks right here. Wow, wow. What? Genuine carbon fiber, ARD, intercooler, quad fours, huh? B230FT, huh? Adjustable wastegate, what? IPD adjustable timing cam gear, strut brace. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Number 28. Keep that in mind. Wow, okay. This is Mad Mike 02. If you want to see more pictures of it, black leather interior with a GLE steering wheel. Or is it just GL? Beautiful car. Beautiful, beautiful. But Mom, it's really safe. Preservation Society.
You got like 300
From
something million people.
Arizona.
There's like 26 million. That's right. 26.
This is Mr. Tim's car. And Mr. Tim, you may remember this from a few years ago. It's quite a bit of fun, and the way I understand it is it's an education tool as well for otter performance. Good on you, mate. I like that. Ooh, there's a lot happening. Hey, baby.
What's going on, David?
Good to see you.
How you doing?
Don't mind the dirt. I'm just here to party. It's a frat boy. No, I dig it. Some good attention to detail, and I really dig it. Because it just fits nicely. Look at it. They even made a top flat bracket. All right, I want to keep walking around, but it's good to see you, pal.
Good seeing you too, Dave.
Wow. Oh, I really dig the battery strap. Nice. Look at the back. Yeah. And the bolts through the wrenches. Oh, some good attention to detail. Nice, nice. Only thing is just needs a wiper now. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. PrancingMoose.com, 240 turbo. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, look at that mirror. Oh, look at that. Oh. So whose car is this?
It's Dave.
This is Mr. Dave Barton?
Yeah.
Where is he?
The Dave Barton.
The Dave Barton.
Just back here.
Respond to email.
Mr. Barton, it's a pleasure.
How are you doing?
I'm doing well. It's a good name, David. Yeah. Do you drive it all the way from Texas, or do you have it up on a trailer?
No.
Comfortable drive?
I don't have a trailer.
Good, good. That was a test.
You passed.
Gold foil. Yes. Ooh. See, every 240 I see, I'm going, this is what I'm voting for. No, that one. And it keeps going and going. I think this is it. I think this is it. You know what it is? It's the tiny battery that makes up for the big engine.
That's exactly it.
Wow.
It's also that.
Keeping it in the family.
It's also the upper brace there too.
Oh, yeah. Strip club rules apply. No touching. Cash is appreciated. Touching costs extra. Talk to the guy in the back. Oh, he's got a Yoshi fab.
Yeah.
Sorry, trash.
I know garbage. So
Okay, yeah. If there's
It's rubbish.
If there's a trash bin.
It's rubbish.
Sorry, yeah.
The rubbish bin.
Yeah, if there's a trash bin, you'll find me when they throw stuff out.
All right.
So we call them bin chickens.
The crash test dummies singing I think that's the lyrics. Wow, wee wah. Oh, I feel like I'm just running on coffee at this point. Cool, finally, some E-codes. There we go. God, anytime I'm in the vicinity of an Australian, I start to round out those vowels. So mimetic that it's rude sometimes. Look at where the piping goes under the battery. Cool, good use of the space there. Keeping it in the family with a 20 valve inline 5. I think that white one was an inline 6, is that right? Cool seats. Looks like 850s in the front. And a good old fabric in the rear. I love this color. But it's a 2-stage. And yep, that sun will eat up your plastic pretty good. The Franken Volvo.
Hey, here's my sticker.
What's your sticker?
That's my sticker. I've been giving them away. I bought them from
Make
Australia.
Volvo boxy again?
That's it. And he's got a sedan too.
Oh, you got any more of those?
Yeah, well, I got
Oh,
one.
I see
I got
what you're
one
doing.
sedan one.
Oh,
left,
I
so
see.
I'll give that one to him.
Lots of love to the 240 guys.
There you go. Oh no, I had a bit of everything, mate. I
Oh, good.
had a bit of everything. There you go. There's that. Or do you
Oh, I
want?
like that one. Oh, make your way down the 122s and we'll see what you leave on my seat.
There you go. Which one would you like?
I like this one.
That one? Take that one.
Thanks, mate.
Yeah, my friend does them, and they're made Red Bubble. She's a designer.
Yep.
Stuff like that. Oh, there you go. I've got one left. There you go, sir.
Oh,
Yours.
thanks, mate. What's your name?
I'm Matt from Australia, mate.
David.
We come down here for the show.
Pleasure to meet you. Thanks for making the trip out for us.
Oh, yeah, mate, yeah. Well, my friend said he wanted a holiday, so 2 days later this popped up on Facebook. I said, we're
There we
going.
go.
We're going. We're too late for Davis. Sorry.
Oh, when's that, April? Is that in April?
We missed out on Davis. So
Yeah.
we come here for this, so he's floating around here somewhere. He's like a kid in a candy store.
Oh, believe me. It's hard to keep up.
So that's it.
All right. Cheers, mate. Thanks.
All right.